Hey everyone, it's Fireball Brady here, and today I'm unboxing an ultra-powerful ASUS ROG Strix laptop, the new SCAR 17 Special Edition. As soon as we open the box, here it is waiting for us. You'll notice that there's also another box, and inside this box is a flashlight, but we're gonna get back to that in a second. This gaming laptop was built with competitive gamers in mind, with peerless performance designed for tournament-level play, anytime, anywhere. The Strix SCAR 17 Special Edition was designed with a cyberpunk aesthetic, much like myself. Now, under normal circumstances, these markings blend in with the metal cover. However, they were actually printed with invisible ink. This is where the flashlight comes in. Under the flashlight, the invisible ink comes to life, and now you can see the mysterious messages appear. But we'll come back to that later. Let's take a look inside. First off, you'll see the crystal clear 17-inch display. The Strix SCAR 17 Special Edition offers a Full HD 360Hz or Quad HD 240Hz display with refresh rates and response times as fast as 3 milliseconds. Combined with fantastic cover, Dolby Vision HDR, and adaptive sync, you're in for a stellar gaming and viewing experience, no matter the firefight or the streaming service. The new SCAR 17 utilizes the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti graphics card and the brand new 12th Gen Intel Core i9, an incredibly powerful 65-watt CPU that offers ultra-high frame rates on the latest games. Plus, if you set it to manual mode in Armory Crate, ASUS's settings application, you can deliver a shockingly maximum 175 watts of power to the CPU. You need to disable the discrete GPIO in order to do so, but for certain workloads, especially in the content creation space, having this capability can pay off. This powerful performance has the memory and storage to back it up. With up to 64 gigs of RAM, combined with PCIe Gen 4 storage and a RAID 0 array, delivers ultra-fast loading times. Plus, with Intel Wi-Fi 6E and a 2.5 GHz Ethernet port, you have great options to help ensure ultra-fast networking. Next, let's look at some of the prominent I/O ports. The Strix SCAR 17 Special Edition has you covered with dual USB-Cs, one of them supporting Thunderbolt 4, and a full HDMI 2.1 port offering 4K at 120 Hz video output. However, all the power in the world only works if this gaming beast also has cutting-edge cooling tech. And thankfully it does. ROG has traditionally used Thermal Grizzly's liquid metal compound. This year, ROG collaborated with Thermal Grizzly to create an even higher performance liquid metal formula called Conductonaut Extreme, offering 5 degrees Celsius cooler temperatures than standard liquid metal thermal compounds. The next step was creating a custom vapor chamber. This chamber covers 48.8% of the main board, allowing for excellent thermal transfer from the GPU, CPU, and critical power delivery components. All this great technology not only helps the SCAR 17 to run cool, but helps it run quieter during marathon gaming sessions. Speaking of, remember that cryptic text that we found on the lid? Those messages are actually clues designed to help you unlock the secrets of SCAR Runner, a parkour DLC embedded in ROG Citadel 15. Set in a dystopian cyberpunk world, a band of superpowered heroes fight against oppression, and they need your help. But I won't spoil it. It is an exciting ride. This is where the mysterious messages on the lid come into play. If you decode the hidden messages, they'll help you unlock exclusive content in the game. If you play SCAR Runner on your ROG device, it even comes with built-in interactive Aura-ready lighting to create the ultimate immersive gaming experience. With the Strix SCAR 17 Special Edition, you can customize your RGB keyboard lighting however you like, no matter what the game is. Plus, you can customize the armor caps on the outside, like this one. It's a truly exciting move forward in the world of Windows 11 gaming devices. To learn more, check out the link in the description below, and we will see you next time.